Good morning.
Good morning.
So I felt like this one would be like a good one to do because the kids know it, and I did it in the red room this week. So every time we sat in circle, they all knew they were gonna sing the song because I'd be like, I would sit there and I'd be like this, and then like they all sat still and they all like put their hand up like this. So I would put this on the board, and then I would say, the good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. And then I would say, the good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming, the morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming, how's Amanda? Choo choo. Then I would say everybody's name, and then if I'm missing anybody, then the kids would be like, you're missing. Then they would say who they're missing. And at the end, I'll be like, are you all ready? Then they'll be like, yes. Then when I say, how's everybody? Then everybody will say, choo choo.
So when you ask them, how are you, the response is choo choo?
Yeah,
Oh.
and some of them, there was a girl that was really shy. She would just sit there. But like Thursday was the last day. She was like, choo.
Oh.
The good morning train is coming. How is everybody?
Choo choo.
Yeah, that's that.
Lovely. Thank you. Yay.